warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Ayuningrum. My last number is 124. I would like to explain how to make the spicy seblak. Crackers, vegetables, salt, sugar, and pepper powder. And there is also egg, sausage, shallot, garlic, candlenut, galangal, and chili. Step: mix the shallot, garlic, candlenut, galangal, and not forget the chili until smooth. Mix the seasoning until the next give water and let the water boil. When the water have boiled, put the egg and the sausage. And now I have put the egg and the sausage. And we wait until this is cooked. And next, don't forget the sugar, salt, and ball powder. Mix. And now we can put the crackers. And now we wait until the crackers is cooked. The last, put the vegetables. Is have cooked. Next, put the seblak in bowl and the seblak is ready. Okay guys, I have to make the spicy seblak, and now I ask to someone to try how the taste from my seblak. See how the taste from my seblak.
So good, so nice, so yummy.
She say my seblak is so nice. Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.